Guys. Why is it Manchester United, the biggest club in England, one of the biggest clubs in the world, why do we always flirt with players? We get linked to players. We agree terms with players. But majority of the time, we don't even sign the players. Make that make sense. Someone please explain. Please explain to me. You're like a focal. Everyone knows Mateus Fernandes, the defensive midfielder from West Ham. Fucking good lady. Good lady. Potential, my bro. Really potential. Even recommended by the captain of Man United to Man United that go get this lady. Now West Ham is getting relegated, which means this O's price is going to drop. Why is it? Now I need someone to answer me this question. Why is it every single season, the minute we reach a transfer window, right? Or weeks before, we always tend to flirt with a player or we linked with a player, yes. There's flirting going on. The player wants to join the club, Man United. We agree terms. And we take so long. We take so long before you wipe your eyes again. The player joined Man City, or the player joined Liverpool, Chelsea, Tottenham, flippin' Arsenal, or he goes abroad. And then you find us sitting there with our hand in our mouth. Like exactly what happened with Michael Olise. He wanted to come to Man United. United took long. Now the light is ripping it up. He's one of the best French players in the world at the moment. Why is it that Man United constantly does this every single season? Now I know it's still early days, but go and agree terms with the lady and make sure that you work out a deal, you negotiate with West Ham. Get the ball rolling. Sort this cuck out. Imagine the same thing year in and year out. Yo, they was playing with your mental health, this club, young. Yes. But no, on a serious note though, apparently PSG, Arsenal, I'm not sure of Chelsea, but I know Arsenal, PSG, Manchester United, perhaps maybe even City might be in for this lady. I know PSG is already linked with him. Why wouldn't he go there? Champions, they playing finals of UEFA Champions Leagues. They got a gevaarlijke squad, a fantastic manager. Why wouldn't he go there? Now you have a club like Man United, a flippin' giant, sleeping giant, that is so in need. Everyone knows they're in need of midfielders. But like we play hard to get. We play like we don't need anybody. We don't need the players. Imagine.